have had this power drill for quite a while now, at least 2 years, and it's worked fantastic. I can't really say anything bad about it. The battery lasts a very long time. I don't use this all the time, but whenever I need to use it, the battery is still ready to go and charged. It does come with a battery charger. It's quite simple. And it comes with a great variety of bits, drill bits, driver's bits, along with this extension bar and a magnetic flexible shaft for hard to reach places. It is 20 volts and has variable speed from 0 to 550 RPMs.